Hi there, Sasha Lydiard here, and in this video I'm going to talk all about under-promising and overachieving and how that really will help your e-commerce business. But before I do, just a quick reminder, if you have not done so already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and then you're not going to miss out on any new videos coming your way. Any comments at all, add them below, I will get back to you. And if you think somebody else is going to benefit from this video, then please like and share it. Okay, so under-promising and overachieving, what do I mean by that? Well, on Amazon, I have my handling time set to 4 days, and on eBay, I have it set to 3 days. Now, there's a couple of reasons why this is a really good idea. Most of my products, majority of my products, all ship well within that time. I make sure that when I'm doing my research, that's what I'm looking for. But by having the handling time set a little bit longer, it gives you a little bit of wriggle room when maybe you get an out of stock. Now, I very rarely get out of stocks because, well, if I do, I get notified about them pretty quickly. So they don't actually get sold in the first place because I've got a fantastic tracker attached to my system. But if suddenly one of the products does fall through the cracks, and it can happen, it just gives me a little bit of time to find and source that product elsewhere or wait for it to come back into stock. So another reason why you want to have that little bit of wriggle room is when the customer comes and asks you, and they often do, when are you going to be shipping my product? Because they don't bother to look at the estimated shipping date or the delivery date on their item. When are you going to be shipping my product? And I will always tell them the shipping date that's actually mentioned on eBay or the shipping date that you've got on Amazon. Those are the dates that I would quote. And then I would say, but I will do my damnedest, or I'll do my best to get this shipped for you quicker. All right. And you know 99% of the time that's going to happen. So then you can get a lovely email out to them saying, I know you were looking to get this as quickly as possible. I've managed to get it shipped to you. It's shipping today, and provide them with the tracking information. They will love you for that. I get so much great feedback based on the fact that they've either had it shipped or it's arrived so much quicker than they ever thought it was going to happen in the first place. Now, the counter side to that is you may be getting less sales in the first place, because if you had a faster delivery time, more people would actually buy the product. So if it's a product that you sell a lot of, you've got complete faith that you're not going to run out of stock on that particular product, and you know it always ships, it really is never an issue, you've got a really good relationship with that particular supplier, then by all means shorten the handling time, and then you will increase your sales as well. But don't do it definitely on any new products that you're selling. And if you just want to give yourself that bit of breathing space and keeping under promising and over delivering, and it will work for you. Hope you found that tip useful, and I will speak to you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.